Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. So Mana is also moving up. I really don't have a very good view of what the micro structure is like here, the micro counting. I did add a micro count. I'm not convinced. It could get another few squiggles to the upside. This was really short for a fourth wave. I did think about it as a flat structure maybe in wave 4. But if I compare that to the length of the wave 2, it is quite shallow. The problem is whatever happened down here is not really giving me a very good view of what the microstructure is like. To be honest, my view is that maybe the third is still in the making. We get another 4. Well, the fourth might be in the making right now and then a 5. But I'm not going to add another support area. I mean, everybody who wanted to should really be invested here now. We had a support area here that worked out. We had one here, yeah, it broke briefly, but it was never invalidated. And then here it was touched again. So we had a few entries for anybody who wanted to take them. Now, to be honest, I'm not entirely sure where we stand here. From a Fibonacci point of view, the third wave has certainly done what it needed to do. Yeah, it really only needed to reach the 1.236 extension, which it did. It's a very difficult structure, this is. So I'm not very happy with how this looks, but what we can do is we can add here these trend lines because it looks a bit like an ascending wedge pattern now. It's just very hard to say how exactly this structure developed because the wave 2 took, well, a few weeks. How many? Like 3 weeks, okay. But normally you say in crypto, the wave 2 and the wave 4 take roughly the same length. But there was nothing that took like 2 to 3 weeks, right? So that's the problem. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe the third wave peaked here. It would have to be because we're dealing here with a diagonal. This could have been an ABC. Yeah, so the wave 3 would have to be an ABC structure as well. It's just a mess down here. So it's absolutely not clear what this was. Yeah, I think we just need a bit of patience. I mean, anybody who entered in one of these boxes, I mean, it might be wise and reasonable just to move up a stop loss to break even point, and then or even into profit, and then just basically just wait and see. Okay, otherwise there is no clear stop I could give you, no clear wave count, so we just have to have a bit of patience. Important is to understand that at some point we should get a deep pullback, maybe with Bitcoin. And at that point, maybe we have a clearer structure. What I'd like to see, to be honest, is a little bit more, maybe a few squiggles here sideways, and then possibly a move up. If we see that, then this would be a wave 4 for me. Yeah, could even get a triangle, could become a triangle or something. But I'd like to see a clear and healthy wave 4, then possibly a wave 5. Then we can call that a larger degree wave 1, and then the pullback. At the moment, it's a bit messy. For me, that's not a clear 5-wave move up yet. So it's more like a 3-wave move. But whatever this is, it's completely messy. But ascending wedges often break to the downside. So just be aware of that. There is not much more I can add here at the moment. Only important thing to mention is that here, this move, or this level at 45 cents is a bit of a breakout point. Haven't broken it yet, but it might do it. It tried to already, but failed then. But that's a key level. And then we've got this level around 53, 54 cents, which is going to be the next structural resistance level. That's my update about Mana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.